Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, west central McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Co., moving east at 15 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Southern Norman, Noble, Slaughterville, and Goldsby. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 100 and 108. To repeat, an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.